What's going on, everybody? James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics. Today we've got a small dent on a BMW quarter panel we're actually going to repair using glue. So take a look at this thing and we'll get started. There it is. Catch that light reflection. You can see this small dent right here. So what I'm actually going to do is use some hot glue and place a tab right over this dent and pull it out. It's probably going to pull a little high. Then we'll knock it back down and make it flush again. So here's our tab, and this is what we're gonna use to pull that dent out. Give you guys a quick look at this dent under this light. This light is how I'm gonna be looking at the dent. Where these lines are straight, we know the metal's good. Where the lines bow out in an owl eye shape, we know that's where the low is. So we're gonna put this tab right in the middle of that low, give it a nice pull. She should come out really well. Here's what we've got after one pull. And like I said earlier, where the lines bow out, the metal is low. So where they pinch together, we know it's high. So this dent pulled high, just like I thought it would. So we'll knock it down. There's still gonna be a little bit of a low there. We'll pull it back up and give it another shot. I'll repeat this process as many times as I need to until this dent's totally out. All right, guys, and here are the results of our repair. This thing took me 8 total pulls to get this dent all the way out. Talk about more of that in a minute, but it was just a process of pull up, knock down, do it again. It looks really good. All right, so I said that I would talk a little bit about how many pulls it took me to do that dent repair. As I said, it took 8. I want to let you guys know the truth is pulls 3 through 7 really didn't do a whole lot. The dent was mostly gone after 2 pulls, but I did say that I was going to pull it as many times as it took to get the dent out. So those other 5 pulls or whatever it was really didn't move a lot. The dent kind of sat at 90% for all those pulls. It was not until the 8th pull that it came all the way out we got the result that we wanted. And a lot of times that's what it takes. If you really want to get a dent out 100%, you gotta be willing to put in the reps for the extra 10%. So that's all I really have on that. Hope you guys found this entertaining. Hope you found it useful. Hopefully we hear from you for a dent repair soon. James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics. Thanks for watching.